In science, we often talk about obtaining evidence for the unobservable parts of nature that surround us. Some things aren't directly observed by us, such as forces or even subatomic particles. The electron is one such unobservable phenomenon. This is because even if we could shrink ourselves down to the size of an electron, we couldn't see it with our naked eye. This is due to the wave-like nature of light and an optical limit. So one way to see the electron, this charged particle, is actually with an experiment that involves two pieces of Scotch tape. We'll actually pull off two pieces, each about 2 to 3 inches long.
We'll fold a really small handle on the edge of each tape so that we can grip them without our fingers sticking to the tape. Then we'll place the sticky side of one onto the non-stick side of the other, like so. Press them firmly together. Next, grab the handles and quickly rip the two apart. When we bring the two ends near each other, we witness this fascinating effect. They're attracted to each other. What would cause these two ordinary pieces of tape to now be so attracted to each other? Well, let's take a look at what the electrons and protons, or what we'll call charges, are actually doing. One of the pieces of tape, when being pulled away from the other, will either take electrons from the other tape or lose its electrons. If one tape piece has a surplus of electrons, as a result of stealing the other's electrons, we say that it is negatively charged and that the other piece is lacking electrons and thus is positively charged. The positive one is on the left, the negatively charged one is on the right. When this happens, each piece feels attracted to each other since positive charges are attracted to negative charges. The only way to know which is positive and which is negative is to use a test involving a balloon. According to the triboelectric series, balloons love to steal electrons when rubbed with, say, our hair. Balloons will take the electrons from the hair. This makes the balloon negatively charged. When the balloon is rubbed on your hair and placed near the tape is considered negative if it repels and positive if it's attracted to the balloon.